welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Nupur Mahtani, आपकी अपनी दोस्त on a mission of bringing smiles to your faces. I hope आप सबको तो पता ही होगा कि हर एक लड़की को लिपस्टिक्स कितनी ज़्यादा पसंद है और rather I should be quoting, every girl's best friend is a lipstick, isn't it? So in today's video, I will be sharing 3 must-have lipstick shades in every girl's makeup collection. But before that, I want to give a small disclaimer that this video is not a sponsored video. I am not getting paid for this video. This is entirely my opinion or my review which I thought of sharing with you guys. So without any delay, let's just jump in the video. So all the lipsticks which I'm going to discuss about today are from Maybelline's Creamy Matte collection. I am in love with that collection and I seriously hope Maybelline वाले मुझे sponsorship दे दे क्योंकि मुझे हर एक shade चाहिए उस collection का because that is simply amazing. I will be sharing everything in detail, so don't miss this video and watch till the end. According to me, हर एक लड़की के पास 3 basic shades तो बहुत ज़्यादा compulsory है. One is nude, one is pink and the third one is red. Because these 3 lipstick shades are lifesavers. चाहे वो नॉर्मल पार्टी हो, चाहे गेट टुगेदर हो या फिर एक वेडिंग फंक्शन हो, ये तीनों लिपस्टिक्स आर मस्ट हैव्स. You can play around with them, you can mismatch them and you can create wonders with them. So I will be starting with my first shade and that is Barely Nude. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Barely Nude from the Maybelline's Creamy Matte range. I'll just swatch it for you guys. I hope you can see it. So I think एक nude shade हर एक लड़की के पास होना चाहिए and if you are a person like me जो ज़्यादा bold colors के साथ experiment करना पसंद नहीं करते हैं, I think this is the one. And to all the teenagers, college going students out there, this is a must own shade because you know if you are one of those जिन्हें lipstick लगानी भी है but दिखाना भी नहीं है, this is the shade you must try on. But I really want to say one thing कि बहुत सारे लोगों के पास ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होता है कि न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स लगाने के बाद दे फील कि उनका देयर एंटायर फेस इज लेट डाउन, उन पे बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूड लिपस्टिक शेड्स सूट नहीं होते. सो हियर्स अ टिप यू कैन यूज, दैट इज अप्लाई ए न्यूड लिपस्टिक एज अ बेस फॉर योर लिप्स एंड देन थोड़ा सा उसमें कोई और शेड मिक्स कर सकते हैं. जैसे अभी मुझे ये प्लेन शेड नहीं लगाना होता है जिस दिन, तो आई सिंपली एड Maybelline's The Rock Coral, that is also a nude shade. So here that is. So I just mix and match those lipsticks and that creates entirely a new shade. So you can definitely try on that as well. So I think according to me हर एक person के पास एक nude lipstick तो होना mandatory है. So my next 2 shades are a pop pink and red. That is Flaming Fuchsia and Bold Crimson from the same collection. I hope you can see them. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Such a beautiful shade. You can see how pop pink color it has. Totally loving it. That's a maroonish red color. I know this pop pink and red colors इतना ज़्यादा डेली लाइफ में यूज़ नहीं होते हैं, but trust me, wedding season आ रहा है and actually this November-December is entirely wedding season and I think you should give it a try. I know even I wasn't that pop pink color person, but in last month I had my brother's wedding and I used this particular lipstick and trust me, it entirely lifted my look. That particular lipstick changed the entire makeup game for me and that is the reason I fell in love with that lipstick. And I think हर एक इंडियन मॉम के पास तो रेड कलर तो होगा ही होगा, no doubt, but I think you should try this as well. And let me tell you, this Bold Crimson was my first ever purchase from Maybelline's this collection, that is Creamy Matte collection, and then I fell in love with the formula. Trust me, जो वो commit करता है, that is weightless and smooth finish, that is what it gives you. The commitment is provided. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, बिकॉज जब आप उसे लगाते हैं ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि आपने कुछ लिपस्टिक लगाया हुआ है. बट उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा सेटबैक है कि दीज लिपस्टिक्स आर ट्रांसफरेबल। मतलब अगर आप कुछ ऑयली खा रहे हैं तो यू नीड टू टच अप। सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ सेटबैक, बट आई थिंक यू मस्ट इन्वेस्ट इन दीज लिपस्टिक्स बिकॉज वो इतनी ज़्यादा भी ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होती है। बट उसके जो शेड रेंज है अमेजिंग। एज आई सेड, आई फेल इन लव विद दैट। May it be pink nudes, may it be brown nudes, may it be red shades, family of red, may it be mauve color types. The shade range is wow. Seriously wow. And the best part is these lipsticks are your pocket friendly, budget friendly जैसे कहा जाता है। 300 I guess you cost them because मैंने सारी लिपस्टिक्स तो सेल में खरीदी है। Even I am one of those sale minded girls, तो मुझे इनका एग्जैक्ट प्राइस नहीं पता है, बट आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ दीज लिपस्टिक्स कॉस्ट अराउंड 300 पर शेड एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड बाय। एंड ऑल्सो दीज लिपस्टिक्स आर ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली। आप देख सकते हैं कितनी छोटी लिपस्टिक्स हैं, दैट इज़ जस्ट इतना हाथ में आ जाती है। एंड इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन लाइक मी जिन्हें इतना सारा बोझा कैरी करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो आई थिंक these lipsticks are must buy lipsticks because you can just put them in your bag and you're ready to go. कहीं पे भी touch up करना, you have them with you. So according to me, you should invest in these. And overall, as you all know, Maybelline itself is a beautiful brand and one of my favorite brands as well. So I love purchasing Maybelline products. Maybelline वालों, अगर आप सुन रहे हो, sponsorship के लिए मैं तैयार हूँ, मैं मना नहीं करूँगी। So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And अगर आपने किसी ने भी इन तीनों शेड्स में से कोई भी शेड यूज़ किया है, do let me know. And अगर नहीं किया है, give it a shot and tell me how was your experience. And if you have any other shade which you would like to recommend me, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to use lipsticks because as I said, lipsticks हर किसी के best friend होता है. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Nupur Mehtani signing off with love. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.